review. It's a 2024 KW W900. All right, sitting on these are sitting on 11R 22.5 low profiles. All right, so we got the chrome, pretty much everything on here. It's a narrow truck, day cab, chrome. All right, nice size tanks. See what kind of tanks we sitting. So we sitting on 100-gallon tanks. All right, it's a really nice truck, beautiful truck. All aluminum alloy all the way around. Like I told you, Michelin tires are sitting on Michelin tires. All right, so nice and beautiful. It's good for those companies that got day cabs. Got a nice catwalk back here. All right, for you to get to everything, so you don't have to fall down and damage or get hurt trying to hook up your airlines. Got the back window. Always love the back windows on these trucks. Nice size stacks. DEF. This is beautiful. All right, so we're gonna get it back towards this side. Like I said, it's sitting on 11. Still 11Rs 22.5 low profile tires, all Alco wheels. Check out the front bumper. All right, so let's climb inside real quick. Got the antennas on it. Definitely got the CP in the truck. I don't know if she's gonna light up or not. Whoo! It's beautiful. Check out the doors. It's the inside of it. Nice KW leather seats. Smells good. Got the Cobra CB up in there. All right. Got the nice weather guard mud flaps up in here. Fire extinguisher. All right. No automatic. This is not automatic. Probably 13 speed up in here. KW stereo. Look at it. 60 miles only on it. All the gauges, pretty clean. All right, so if this is what y'all into, go get y'all one. 2024 W900 Day Cab. All right, got the wood grain all up in here, and it got the screen, touch screen. You gotta love it. All right, so compartment for your binders, your paperwork. All right, air ride seats, got its air ride seat, cup holders. See, that's the most important thing, is cup holders. Gotta have cup holders. Oh man, forget the cigarette lighter. You smoke cigars, but got the cup holders. Just close it. All right, we pretty much out here. The light gonna turn itself off. All right, so if y'all like this, go get y'all one. It's your boy, J Quillo, Talk Loud, DIY Trucker J. Oh, they put the new headlights in there. You gotta put the ones similar to mine. All right, so we out here. Talk to y'all later.